Introduction to Microsoft Whiteboard.
Microsoft Whiteboard is a powerful digital canvas designed for collaboration and brainstorming. Whether you're working remotely or in the same room, it helps teams visualize ideas and solutions in real time. In this guide, you'll learn how to get started, navigate essential tools, and use Whiteboard's key features to make your teamwork more dynamic and creative.
How to access Microsoft Whiteboard.
To begin, you can access Microsoft Whiteboard through the web at whiteboard.microsoft.com or by downloading the app for Windows and mobile devices. Sign in with your Microsoft account, such as an Outlook or work account. Once logged in, you'll see your boards and can create a new one with a simple click or tap.
Navigating the Whiteboard interface.
A main screen offers a blank canvas and a set of tools along the edges. At the bottom or side, you'll find pens, highlighters, erasers, sticky notes, and shapes. Controls for undo, redo, and zoom are also present. The navigation is intuitive, so you can quickly jump between different areas or tools as you work.
Essential tools and features.
Microsoft Whiteboard offers versatile tools for creativity and organization. Use pens for freehand drawing, sticky notes to capture ideas, and shapes for diagrams. You can insert text, images, and even templates for structured activities. The lasso tool helps you select and move content easily, making organization a breeze.
Collaborating with others.
Sharing your board is simple. Click the share button and invite others by email or share a link. Collaborators can draw, add notes, and make changes in real time. You can also set permissions to control who can edit or view your board, making teamwork both secure and flexible.
Tips for productive whiteboarding.
For effective online teamwork, organize different topics with dedicated sections. Use templates to streamline planning and take advantage of the infinite canvas to expand ideas freely. Remember to save snapshots or export your board for reference after meetings. Practicing these tips will help your team make the most of Microsoft Whiteboard.